doctors. I am Dr.C. Rawat. I have come all the way from Agra to attend this 32nd BPCON 2022 organized by the dynamic leadership of Dr. Sajid Ansari, the organizing secretary. I give him 100 out of 100 marks in organizing this conference. It has been very meticulously planned and executed very well. I wish that every year he organizes some conference or the other. On his behalf, I also thank him for the topic that he gave me and requested me to speak on it. It was a difficult topic, cardiac biomarkers in hypertension. It's a futuristic topic, not daily used in clinical practice. But in the coming future, we will be talking more and more of the cardiac biomarkers which are involved in telling us not only whether a particular individual is going to develop hypertension, whether he is heading into complications, whether he is going to get target organ damage, and whether his blood pressure is controlled or not. A lot of biomarkers have come up. The older ones include uric acid, hyperhomocystinemia, and several others. These biomarkers are not being used routinely because, number one, the clinical, pathological and histological correlation is lacking. The number of studies which actually authenticate a correlation between biomarkers and hypertension are not there, and we need more of these studies. Number two, the detection of these biomarkers is difficult. The detection of these biomarkers is difficult. Not only difficult, the instruments required are very costly and the expertise is lacking. Therefore, we fall back on the detection of these. But as science advances, we will be having better ways of detecting these biomarkers. We will be having better biomarkers which can be easily detected, and we will be in a better position to detect hypertension, to see whether a patient is properly controlled, and to see whether he is heading for any target organ damage. Thank you very much.